As a financial advisor, your time is best spent doing what truly matters. Client and practice administration is not high on that list. And neither is spending time on repetitive Excel modeling and client reporting, right? We agree. Imagine a world where you have double your client base, more revenue, and more time. Some would call that heaven. We call it Wealthbit. Wealthbit is every financial advisor's secret weapon. The key that unlocks more time, more revenue, and kicks time-consuming parts involved in giving professional advice to the curb. How, you ask? Well, wouldn't you like to know? Okay, we'll tell you. Technology can play a key role in making financial advice available to more people. But until now, the market has lacked a truly robust and easy-to-use tool. Hello, Wealthbit. Wealthbit is the world's first truly advisor and client-focused retirement and wealth cash flow planning tool, giving both advisors and clients an engaging, logical, consolidated, real-time scenario planning experience right at your fingertips. And with your full practice client dashboard, you have a complete view of where your entire client base is positioned for retirement, helping you deliver the right results to those who need it most. Reduce complexity, time, and administration, and increase your level of advice and your client base. It's that simple with Wealthbit.